In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a process of image resizing so that you can use Adobe Photoshop to change the size of an image based on your requirements. I'm going to start with an absolutely huge image and I'm going to resize it to a more manageable 400 by 400 pixels. So this might be useful for web use, maybe a thumbnail or a product image on an item. As you can see here, I've got an image, and if I inspect that, we can see that it's currently 6048 by 4032. That's absolutely huge, and that's not going to be fitting anywhere. It's 2.9 megabytes, so we really want to make that a little bit more manageable. So I've got Adobe Photoshop open here. Now I'm using CS6, but the process is pretty much absolutely the same across different versions and also in different applications such as Pixelmator, or if you're using other applications, it's a very similar process. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new canvas, which is 400 by 400. Now I've set the resolution here to 300 pixels per inch, but you can change this to match your requirements. If you want a little bit of a smaller file size, you might want to change it down to 72, but I'm just going to keep it at 300 for now. So here I've got my 400 by 400 canvas. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my desktop and I'm going to drag and drop the image onto the canvas. And what it's done there is it's resized the image automatically to fit the boundaries of the canvas. So actually, this is pretty much all you have to do. You can change the image at this point by resizing it up and down. Maybe I want to get rid of this headroom and this bottom space here. So I might want to just resize it a little bit, so I can do that. I want to centralize it a little bit, but generally, you can see that this is pretty much the process. That it does it automatically. So I've changed the image, I've pressed enter, and now all I have to do is head to File, Save for Web. I can choose how I want to save it. Different formats obviously offer different file sizes and different compression rates. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to save this image as a high JPEG at 60% quality. I just hit save. I'm going to save that to my desktop. Resized helmet, and then you can see if I head back to my desktop, we've gone from a 2.9 megabyte image to a 29 kilobyte image, which is at 400 by 400 pixels. If I open that up in preview and then I inspect that, you can see that it's now 400 by 400. And obviously, because I've saved it for the web, it's compressed it from 300 pixels per inch to 72. And that's all there is to it.